Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of elaborate forecasting and impact assessment of climate change through advanced generative modeling. So in this project, we have collected the dataset of climate change and training them through the generative adversarial network. And prediction is done through the graphical user interface. So we can see the dataset. So these are the dataset we have taken: year, country, and average temperature in carbon dioxide emission, sea level, rainfall, and also population, renewable, and extreme weather forecast, and also forecast forest area. So these are the inputs and targets is the average temperature. So this is the training code. So these are the libraries used for to train the model. These are the dataset file, which is in the CSV file, and these are the inputs and these are the target and split the data set into train and test, and this is the model, and where first layer is used for 16 layers and 32 is used for second layer, and for to build discriminator. So now after build discriminator, it will train the dataset using about 1,000 iterations. After that, we are using regression models. SVR, XGBoost, and linear regression. And last, we will get the graph of prediction and actual prediction. And once training is completed, the model will be saved. XGBoost and scalar. Click on run model. So we get the training process. So here I mentioned about 1,000 till 1,000 iteration it will train. Parallel will get the accuracy for each iteration. So till above 1,000 iteration, process will continue. So last we will get the regression matrix. This is for support vector and this is for XGBoost and this is for linear regression. So after that, scalar and XGBoost will be not be saved successfully. You get the message and now click on File, Open. So this is the GUI part. So here once it is the model loaded, saved successfully, we can load scalar and XGBoost and this is the features and this is for the prediction part. Con run model. So here you can give the inputs. Based on this dataset, you can give the input. Enter result. Rainfall. Population. Energy. Stream weather. Forecast area. You can't predict the predicted average temperature 9.5.